Hello students, in last lecture we learnt about that a formula tells us two things. First, type of elements. Second, number of atoms. Let's see what is the valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an element or group. Let's understand it with the help of some examples. In table 3.7, formula of some common compounds containing hydrogen. First example is hydrochloric acid. Formula for hydrochloric is HCl. Here, one atom of chlorine that combines with one atom of hydrogen. So the valency of chlorine is 1. Second example is water, H2O. In water, one atom of oxygen that combines with two atoms of hydrogen. So, the valency of oxygen is 2. Now, I am taking the third example, that is for sulfuric acid, H2SO4. SO4 represents the sulfate group. Here, one sulfate group combines with two atoms of hydrogen. So, valency for sulfate is 2. Now, some elements such as helium, neon or krypton do not combine at all. Their valencies are 0. Some elements, they do not react with hydrogen, but they react with some other elements or group. For example, zinc oxide. In zinc oxide, here one atom of zinc combines with one atom of oxygen. The valency of zinc and oxygen are the same. As you know, the valency of oxygen is 2. Therefore, the valency of zinc will also be 2. In table 3.8, valencies of some common elements and their groups are mentioned. So, you have to learn it. Certain elements can have more than one valency. They are said to have variable valencies, like as in iron, symbol of iron is Fe and valency is 2 or 3. It is said to be the variable valency. Valency helps us to write the formula of any compound. Now let us see how to write the formula. For writing the formula, we should know two things. The symbols of the elements or groups it is made up of, कि जो कंपाउंड है वो किन एलिमेंट से बना है. सेकेंड, द वैलेंसी ऑफ एलिमेंट्स और ग्रुप्स. नाउ लेट अस राइट द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व्ड टू राइट द formula. Here are some steps mentioned. First, in first point, write the symbols of the elements. Firstly, we will write the symbols. I am taking the example of water. In water, as you know, water contains H2O. Its formula is H2O. And in first step, we will write the symbols hydrogen and oxygen. In second line, it is mentioned, write their valencies on the top as superscript. In step 2, now we have to write the valencies on the top. Superscript means to write the valency on the top. अब यहाँ पे थर्ड पॉइंट में लिखा है डिवाइड बाय एनी कॉमन फैक्टर इन देयर valencies. अब यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन की वैलेंसी में कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. सो नाउ इन स्टेप नेक्स्ट स्टेप, interchange the numbers obtained and write them at the base. It is mentioned here subscript. Subscript means to write the valency at the base to get the formula. अब हमने यहाँ पे valencies को interchange करना है. Now we will interchange it. In step 4 we will get the formula like H O की valency इसके. This is the formula for water. I am taking the another example like for aluminium sulfate, how we can write the formula of aluminium sulfate. Second example, aluminium sulfate. In aluminium sulfate, first step we have to write the symbols Al and SO4. In step 2, we have to write the valencies. ये वैलेंसीज मैंने राइट डाउन कर दिए हैं. फॉर एनी ग्रुप वी यूज ब्रैकेट. नाउ इन स्टेप 3 इंटरचेंज द वैलेंसीज. In step 4, whenever we will interchange the valencies, we will write it as subscript सल्फेट की वैलेंसी एल्यूमिनियम के साथ, एल्यूमिनियम की सल्फेट के साथ. नाउ वी गेट द फॉर्मूला फॉर एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट. So that's all for today. In next video we will continue with some more example and the remaining part of chapter 3.